Hi everyone, Mr. Beeman here, your friendly neighborhood online teacher. I'm gonna kind of review a couple skills I want you guys to practice this week on in math. So I'm gonna go over a couple things. First thing I want to review, which we've already learned, is area. Now, when we're talking about area, we're talking about shapes, geometry. This is what we're going to be focusing on this week. So, if I wanted to take a look at this rectangle right here and I wanted to know the area, basically, I want to know how much space is inside here, okay? And to do that, I need to count squares. So, for instance, if this rectangle had 3 rows. Let's see if I can do this. 3 rows. And each row had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each row had 7 squares. Then I could figure out the area, meaning I would have a width of 3, a length of 7, and then that would equal 21 squares inside. And that's the area. Okay? Now, our other focus this week is something a little different we haven't gone over, and that would be the perimeter. Now, with perimeter, the perimeter also has to do with geometry, but instead of trying to find the space inside, so if I had the same rectangle, and again, this side was 3 and this side was 7, I'm not worrying about what's inside. I'm worrying about how the distance around the shape, meaning if I went from here to here, from here to here, to here to here, and back to the beginning, how long did I go? Which would actually be, since this rectangle has 4 sides, the top would also be 7, and this side would be 3. So it would be 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7, which is 10 plus 10, which is 20. So to find a perimeter, you need to add up all the sides. To find the area, you need to multiply the length and the width. So the area, again, would be 21 inside. But the distance around is actually 20. So this would be 21 square units. And around would be 20 whatever inches or whatever unit length you're measuring, feet. It just depends. So that is the two differences between area and perimeter. So this week we're going to be focusing on that. I'd like you to do some pages in your book, and let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me.